Hold on a second. This hidden gem is going viral globally ADN for a massive reason. This specific Get Ready Amazed cause this is proving to be worth every single penny. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: build quality is premium. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it's completely gone. Hold on a second. This hidden gem is going viral globally ADN for a massive reason. This specific Get Ready Amazed cause this is proving to be worth every single penny.